Hi, today I am here to give you the short review of Hyundai Elantra. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Hyundai Elantra is a sedan manufactured by the South Korean automotive brand Hyundai. It is the first sedan by the company in the Pakistani market and is assembled by the Hyundai Nishat Motor, Private, Limited in Pakistan. Currently, the Elantra. This car offers cruise control and multimedia control at steering. Hyundai Elantra is available in one engine options, i.e., petrol. The Hyundai Elantra is capable of generating a horsepower of 126 to 154 HP and a torque of 155 to 195 Nm with a top speed of 200 to 240 km per hour. Hyundai Elantra is available in one transmission options, i.e., automatic. The Elantra car has a fuel average of 12 km per liter with a fuel tank capacity of 50 L. With the dimensions of 4,620 mm in length, 1,800 mm in width, and 1,450 mm in height, the Elantra has a seating capacity of 5 persons. The Hyundai Elantra has a fuel average of 12 km per liter in the city and 16 km per liter on the highway. The fuel average of Elantra varies upon variant, transmission, fuel type and driving style. Hyundai Elantra tires could be 195/65 R15, 205/55 R16, 215/45 R17, or 225/40 R18. There will be body color bumpers and side mirrors, full Tetra LED headlights and LED taillights. Shark fin antenna will also be available. Chrome door handles with welcome lights, chrome front grille, LED DRL will also be standard equipment. Elantra exterior color options are polar white, silver metallic, graphite gray, black diamond, teal blue, fiery red. NO electronic parking brake and NO brake hold function. There will be conventional lever type handbrake. Keep in mind this generation of Elantra was actually not offered with these functionalities, so this is not something Hyundai skipped in Pakistan. Hyundai Drive Mode is a quick and easy way to change the driving style of your Hyundai. With settings for normal, eco, and sport, you can use Hyundai Drive Mode to instantly adjust the driving dynamics and feel of your Hyundai, all on the go. The price of Hyundai Elantra 2024 in Pakistan ranges from PKR 6,399,000 for the base variant GL to PKR 6,930,000 for the top-of-the-line GLS variant. These prices of Hyundai Elantra in Pakistan are ex-factory.